Times are changing now. You have inclusive colorways and exclusive sizing. Okay, one second. Exclusive colorways and inclusive sizing. These are fresh. These are so beautiful, right? What is up YouTube? This is your girl Shivani and welcome back to my channel. If you are into sneakers and street style, you happen to be at the right place because we talk about sneakers and street style every single Monday of the week. Well, I also try to put up like bonus videos every Thursday or Friday, and I'm really working my best so that I can change the whole intro to like new video every Monday and Thursday. Like I've set up high expectations and high hopes for myself, and let's see if I can make that happen soon. But thank you so much guys for dropping by. I really appreciate it. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified as and when I upload a new video. Now, a lot of people asked me in my previous like the sneaker event vlog which I filmed, how do I get to know about more such events in the future? If you follow me on Instagram, which is right here, you would know because I always try to put up like information about sneaker events that is happening not only in Delhi but also in India. I also put up like a lot of information, a lot of content related to sneakers and street style on my Instagram, so do give me a follow there. So guys, we already know that we are gonna talk about a women's exclusive Nike Dunk colorway today, and this video has been requested by a lot of you folks, and I'm really happy that I have the pair here with me and I can review it for you guys. We are talking about the women's Dunk Low Coast colorway. You know that there is a lot of hype around dunks, and we have covered dunks properly with its all, the OG connection and everything in my previous video, the review of the Nike Dunk High Syracuse colorway. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna put the link in the description box for you guys. So this video will talk about this particular colorway exclusively, and I'm sure I've mentioned this a lot of times, like in my previous video and also in the sneaker event vlog, that this one in particular is also my first ever dunk, and I'm really happy to have this in my collection. So guys, you already know that this year is the year of dunks, and we've already seen 6 Nike dunks being released in India, 3 for men and 3 for women. The men's colorways were the UNLV low, the Syracuse Dunk High, and also the Hyper Cobalt low. And for women's, we have had the Orange Pearl low, the Nike Dunk High Team Red, and this one, the Nike Dunk Low Coast colorway. Already aware, Nike also revamped the Dunk Low last year for women. They came up with this new silhouette called the Nike Dunk Low Disrupt, which was also an exclusive silhouette for women. And this year they have launched, the 3 colorways as I've mentioned. Also, as per what the Nike release calendar looks like, they have a lot of women exclusive colorways planned for this year, and I'm really excited about it. Also, I don't know how many of you know, but I also run a magazine called Fly Girl. That is a platform for all the women sneakerheads and women in sneakers. That is a community, and we also talk about a lot of these, collaborators, women designers, women tastemakers. We also talk about the upcoming releases and everything. So I'm gonna put the link also in the description box for you. So there we have also spoken about all these upcoming Nike Dunk colorways for women. So that is a community and a platform for all the budding women sneakerheads of India. So give it a follow if you like. So why are these dunks so sought after and why are these so hyped? Now, this particular UCLA Coast Blue colorway of these dunks is in closest resemblance to the Air Jordan 1 UNC, Michael Jordan's alma mater, University of Carolina. So guys, we're gonna cover Air Jordan 1 UNC, the Air Jordan 1 University Blue, the entire journey of Air Jordan 1 University Blue or UNC properly in our next video. Now, a lot of you guys have also requested requested for the review of the AJ1 University Blue. Well, I'm also spilling the beans for like the next video, guys. I'm waiting for my pair from Nike, and as soon as it arrives, I'm gonna review it for you guys. All you need to know is this particular Nike Dunk Low is hyped because this blue is in closest resemblance to the University Blue colorway, and there goes the hype and the OG connection of this pair. I'm sure a lot of you already know that there is a Nike Dunk Low UNC also planned for this year, and this one is a women's exclusive Nike Dunk Low, which is also of the similar colorway. Honestly, guys, if you look both of them from little far, you won't be able to tell what difference do they have. Color blocking is exactly same, and also the colorway is pretty much the same. But if I have to tell you, I think there are two differences in, those two. The white colorway, I think the base colorway of this particular women's dunk is a little off-white, right? And that I think is more whitish and not off-white. And this one, it's got hints of university gold. That particular Dunk Low, the UNC Dunk Low, doesn't have any yellow on that. It is mostly like just white and blue. That also is planned for this year, right? And I'm not sure when it's gonna release or if that's coming to India. But if I have to tell you, if both those dunks release almost at the same time, I think this is what I would have picked nevertheless. Also, I really like that brands are coming up with exclusive colorways and exclusive sneakers for women. Although that's a conversation we need to take up properly, and we also talk about it on our platform Fly Girl. This question is to all the women sneakerheads watching this video right now. Do you also feel that Nike should also come up, or Nike or even Jordan or brands in general should come up with more exclusive silhouettes, more exclusive colorways for women? Or do you also feel that they should stick to inclusive sizing? Times are changing now. You have inclusive colorways and exclusive sizing. Okay, one second. Exclusive colorways and inclusive sizing. Honestly, when somebody goes that extra mile and does something special for me, guys, I really appreciate that. I really love that. And this particular colorway is such a beautiful colorway, and this is a women's exclusive one, and I really like it. In India, these Dunk Low coats for women were released last weekend, and these were retailed at 8295. So now let's break into these sneakers, guys, and let's start with the box. This is how the box looks like. This is again a very traditional standard Nike box in red with white branding, and you can see all the details like the Nike branding here and also on the other side. And then here goes all the size details. My size is UK 6. There is a lot of confusion about sizing because this is a women's Nike Dunk, so we'll cover that a little later.
The upper of the shoe is made of off-white leather, which is of average quality. Not very high-end, not very premium, but I think it does justice to the price point of 8295 INR. The overlays are in this UCLA Coast Blue colorway. The same blue surrounds the toe box, the eyelet area, and the swoosh. The laces are also in the same Coast Blue colorway with lace tips in University Gold. There are no extra laces in this pair, and a lot of people DM'd me on Instagram that I should try these on with off-white laces. Like, I don't have any off-white laces. I would definitely switch it up and show it to you guys on my Instagram. Just like the lace tips, you can see the same University Gold branding on the nylon tongue and also Nike embroidery on the heel. The insole is in University Gold with branding in Coast Blue. The midsole is of the same off-white, and the outsole is of Coast Blue with Nike branding in the middle.
Now let me show you the white against my royal toe so that you have an idea of, how different the white is. So this one is my royal toe, and you can tell that, this one, the Dunk has got like an off-white appeal, and this one is like pure wise. Talking about comfort, as I have mentioned in my previous two dunk review videos, the Syracuse and the UNLV, the dunks usually do not come with any cushioning as such, so these are not very comfortable, but given the price point and everything, I think these are okay to use them in your daily rotation and as your beaters. Now coming to sizing, a lot of people also asked me on my Instagram what sizes to go for women's dunk. This one fits true to size and mine is UK 6, which is why I went for UK 6. So in case you have an Air Jordan 1 already with you, you might as well stick to your sizing of Air Jordan 1, which I also feel would be your true to size, right? In case you have a doubt, because this is a women's exclusive dunk, I think if you stick to your UK sizing, so in this, the UK sizing for women's and men's is both UK 6. It's just that there will be a difference for the US sizing. Usually the women's sizing in US is 1.5 more than that of the US sizing for men's, but I think you should stick to UK sizing. That is what I do for most of my sneakers. That's all I had in this video, guys, and did we miss anything? Also, I would like to know your thoughts on what you think of these exclusive colorways and exclusive silhouettes being dropped by Nike or Jordan or also other brands. And I would really love to know if you also vote for exclusive silhouettes, exclusive colorways, or you vote for inclusive sizing in more of the men's or like the general releases. I'm really excited for the next video, guys, which is gonna be about the Jordan 1 UNC, and I hope I get my pair early this week so that I can review it and put it up by say Thursday or Friday. But otherwise, you know the drill. We talk about sneakers and street style every single Monday of the week. I hope you liked today's video and I hope I could help you in picking up your next pair of dunks. I shall see you in the next video. Until then, bye!